Welcome everyone to this new workflow. This is a content I've post from my workflow here, and we want to post the same. So I do one click here to test the workflow. I have my content here, free video, and we want to post this, ready to post. And in the end of the testing, we want to check here, post it. So if I do one click here, we wait for the execution. Okay, let's check Google Sheet. You can see it's posted. So if I go to Facebook page, and we can check here right now, we have a new video, we have a form, tally form. This link is in my Google Sheet, and people can click to fill out and get call from assistant. So in this video I will show you how you can get your content from your Google Sheet and post it in your Facebook page. So let's go. Okay, let's go. So in the first trigger, okay, it is a simply trigger. Okay, if you do one click here, you can hide schedule trigger and add it. Okay, and after that we have our Google Sheet. This Google Sheet, we have create a new credential. Okay, and after that you must connect your Google Sheet to where you have your content, you want to find it. Okay, in this Google Sheet I have my content, and to you use get row and your Google Sheet name and the sheet one, and it's do. Okay, if you do one click here, you will get all content from your Google Sheet. Here we have free line, free content, so we get it here, free item. So it is the first step. Take information from your Google Sheet, and here now you want to take which content you want to post. Here in the status we have ready to post or post. Okay, so in the if node, you want to filter them. Here you want to check status and choose which content you want to post. Let me put it in posted, and put this in and ready to post. So I want to post the last content here. Okay, so if I do one click, you must just find the status from your Google Sheet here, drag and drop it here, the status, and check if this status is ready to post or not post. You write yourself this information you must to write it yourself here, copy it and paste it here. And once you click on test step, you get your content you want to post, and the second you have the content you have already posted. Okay, so now for the true line, you want to download the content first before send it to OpenAI or send it to Facebook. In the Google Drive node, you want to download this content, the last content. We check in the if node here, the last content we check here. We want to download it with Google Drive. So in the Google Drive, you add a Google Drive. Okay, here you just need to find the link and filter by URL and find the link in your if node, because you have open the link in your Google Sheet and the status is posted. Okay, but you want the link of the content you don't have posted yet. Okay, that's this link. So you can drag it here and click on test step. You'll get a binary file in your Google drive output. If you get an error, you can check your credential and it will work. Okay, here we have two nodes, the main node, and we have OpenAI model node. And if you check it, you can add this prompt. Let me show you. Here the prompt talking about marketing video, and with this call of action link, and add this link here in my Google Sheet. You have a link. If I show you this link, it is a link once someone watch the video. In the end, call to action in the video drive people in the tally form. Once people fill this tally form, you will get a call from assistant. Okay, and we have a video about it. You can check in the description and click on here. You must create a new credential for your Google, for your OpenAI. It is very easy. You must go to platform OpenAI to create a new credential. If I do one click, I get an output here, content. This is the content in the output, and those two content from the binary file and the marketing description here, we must merge them here. So you add a merge node and you choose combine position, and you put 2 here because you have 2 input from Google Drive and 1 from OpenAI. After that, you can click on test it, and you get here the link, the download the binary file, and also you get the content from OpenAI. Okay, and now you can post it in Facebook. This is where we have some manipulation to configure this HTTP request. All steps here is very easy. Okay, you just need to add the node progressively and follow our instruction I give. But here there are some editing you must do first before it will work. So the first, after add an HTTP request, you need to go to Facebook to find this URL there, and your page, Facebook page ID, and some API, some token. So the first thing, you must go to developersfacebook.com, developersfacebook.com, and here you must go to application. You can create many applications here. I have already one, and let me create one for this video, this tutorial. So here you add your name for YouTube. Okay, you add your Gmail and you click on next. After that, you go down. Okay, click on this last over and click to continue. Okay, after that, here click on enterprise and continue. Okay, after that, here you must choose a portfolio. I choose this and click app, and here you must enter your. Okay, this is it. It's done. Your app is ready to create a credential for you. So you can go to here, Explorer API. Okay, and you must use the app you have created, and go to permission, and you'll find some permission here. let me show you which permission you must choose. You must choose page show list. If you do one click here, you'll see the list, the list of all permission you can choose. So you must choose show page show list and page read engagement page. You must find them here, okay, and click on them. Let me do one example. If I do one click here, you'll notice that it will be add in the permission. Okay, so follow all information here to select them. After that, you can create a new credential, a new token. Okay, but the new token we'll create here will be able for 1 hour, so you must convert it for 30 days, a long token. Because if you create a new token here and use it in your HTTP request and use it here in the HTTP request here, the token, if you post a video on your Facebook, you'll notice that after 1 hour, if you return to check, to test your workflow, you'll get an error here because the token will be expired and in 1 hour. So you must transform this token for 30 days. I will show you how you can do that. So if I go to here, okay, after create this, okay, if you don't have a Facebook page, you must create one, because it will use the ID of your page in your HTTP request. Okay, here first create your token first, and let me create my new. Okay, once you create a new token, okay, you can find all page you have here by write me/icons and click on send, and you'll get all page from your Facebook. Here I have many pages in my Facebook. Okay, there are many pages. So if I write this here and click on send, all page with different code will come out, and you can find the page where you want to post your content. If I go here, this is the page where I want to post this content. So you can copy this link, and you want to transfer. This link is for only sometime for 1 hour, so you want to transform it for 60 days. Okay, 2 months. Okay, how to do that? So you must use this code, paste your first token here. Okay, the token you copy there. Okay, after that you must find your client secret and your client ID. How to do that? You need just to go to your application. If you go in Meta here, application, you must choose the application you use for create a token. I have created this for example, but I work with this. So if you go to the application, if you go to the app, you can go there, general, and you'll find 2 codes you will use. Okay, and this is the first here. Copy this code and paste it here. It is a client ID. Let me check. Okay, it is a client ID. Paste it here. And for the second code, for this second client secret, you must show it, copy it, and now you can paste it here. So those information you must send it to your copy all here, go to your browser, paste it, and you get a new code here. Okay, Facebook will send you a new code, and this is it, accept token. And this new token is for 60 day, 2 months. Facebook will change your code and send you a new code for 60 months using. So this code, this new token, you must use it in your HTTP request. Here, paste it here, okay, and you can use it. And the configuration you use from data description, you add new parameter, field binary property, and data is for this, okay. And description here is from the content. If you go here, your content from your merge, the content you generate from the OpenAI, you can paste it here. So you have to add 3 parameter in the same body. The first is from data accept, you write accept token here and you add your token here. The second, from data description, you add the OpenAI content here. And the last, from binary, you write binary property, and the data is the binary you have downloaded from Google Drive. And here you must add this code, okay, and find your you must add this, okay. Let me show you. If you get access to my community, I think you can find it here. No, you must find it directly here. Let me paste it here. This is the code here, and this code in before video is the ID of your page. If you go to your page, you can find your ID here, but when you go to here, when you send, you write me/account here and send, you'll find the ID of your page here. This is the ID here to copy, okay. So you can copy this ID and go to HTTP request, go to your HTTP request here and paste it here, okay. Paste it here, copy this link and paste it in your HTTP request, and it's done. So if I click on test step, it will go to my post to my Facebook page, and it's done. It's very easy. So if I go to check to my Facebook page here, I must get a notification, your video is ready to be watched, okay. Here, this is the video here, unlock your potential. I have sent a new, because I have sent a new video. If I go down, this is the video here, okay. So you can watch the video, and here we have a call to action. If someone watch the video and have an interest, you can click on this call to action and fill this form and get call from our assistant, which be in our N8N. So it's very easy to post a video to Facebook. You just need to follow all information I give here, and you'll be able to post your content to Facebook. Okay, we have finished with this tutorial. It's very easy. If you have any question, you can send me to comment and I will explain you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you to the next tutorial.